Okay guys, so my tiles are not gonna get here until tomorrow, hopefully. So today I'm going to start doing some wall prep to get the wall ready for painting. So first thing, we're gonna take these old window treatments down, these old towel holders, and then we're gonna fill in all the holes. And once we get all the holes and everything filled in, and then I'm gonna sand, rough it up good, and get that primer on. So now I have to take all those little trim boards off that are around the floor. Well, you can't really call them boards, they're more like trim cardboard, but at least they're easy to get off. And I gotta try to figure out what the heck to use to replace them. So if anybody has done this and has any good ideas on what trim they used and how they worked, I'd love to hear about it. I would prefer something that was self-adhesive that you don't have to nail or staple. I know there are those types of trim out there, but I'm just not sure which ones work the best. Any help would be appreciated. Thanks. Okay, let's start getting some of these holes filled up. Okay, so what I got done so far, guys, I got all the crap off the walls, got all the holes filled in, and I took down all that ugly cheap ass trim. I'm gonna get some new stuff. Oh, it looks so much more open without that window treatment. So now we gotta let all this plaster dry so I can sand the walls down and put on the primer. Okay, so today I am going to attempt to get these walls primed and hopefully get them painted tomorrow. Since it finally warmed up a little bit, we can get some work done. So we used the Zinsser Bullseye 123 primer. And for paint, I used Dutch Boy Platinum Plus Satin paint and primer. And this paint was just beautiful. It went on easy, smooth, even, and it just looks great. I'm really not too fond of the rollers, but for speed's sake, I'll give them a shot. I remember using a primer once many moons ago, and it went on real thick and gloppy, and so this one's going on pretty nice. So apparently they either make them better now, or I just happen to have a bad can, so that's a nice surprise. But I think I gotta go get a brush. I just do not like this roller. I don't know, we'll see. It is much faster, that's one thing. Yeah, I think I want to go get me a brush and see how that works. Okay, I have my good old friend the brush. And I just never liked the rollers. I just feel like I have better control with a brush. Well, we got the first coat of primer on, and hopefully tomorrow I will be putting on the first coat of paint. Whew. It is hot in here. Oh, we also got our new furnace wired up, and we're getting ready to install that the rest of the way. Just gotta wait for it to warm up a little bit so we can do some caulking on the outside when we install it. So that's nice, that brand new furnace in here. So today, guys, I'm gonna get the first coat of paint in the bathroom. The primer dried up nice. The one coat looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna try and get the paint on next, and more than likely we'll have to do a couple coats. Out. Whew, I don't know about you guys, but I always make a giant mess when I paint. Paint everywhere. Okay, back to the little brush for a while. You get these little stiff little artist brush. It's really easy to go around corners and along straight lines, because I hate to tape. So I just use my little brush. we're getting there. We're getting there. Slowly but surely. There, done with the big brush. Woohoo! Wow. Let's check out all these Pikachus. Now we just have to take the little brush, go around the edges, and we are done. Okay guys, we got the first coat on. Definitely will be needing a second coat, but hopefully not a third. Looks like it matches the tile really nicely. So we'll turn the electric heater back on, let it dry for a couple days in here, and get that second coat on, and hopefully that'll be it. So I got the second coat on, and I just love how it looks with the tile. It matches perfectly. It's such a soft, pretty blue. We still have a few finishing touches to put in here, but most of the crappy work is done, and the fun part will be decorating. And I'll be sure to let you know what it looks like when we finally get her completely done. Thanks for joining us today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.